Good morning. Welcome to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University. Today we discuss the floriculture topic. This semester belongs to the sixth semester. Actually, these are the mainly the floriculture. Floriculture, especially these are related to the some are the floral structure, some are the study of the fruits and the study of the nuts. All are related to the in the floriculture. Okay, mainly if the fruits are the what is the mean of the fruits and nuts. Crop production includes the cash crops and the some are the spices in the fruits and nuts. The botanically fruit developed from the ripenary ovary, that the botanical developed from the ripenary ovary or any floral parts on the base of the floral parts is developed from the fruit. The mainly fruits may be the two types. One is the true fruits and the false fruits. Actually, mainly the formology is related to the formology. Formology is the branch of the horticulture that deals with the mainly deals with the study of the fruits and the cultivation of nuts and fruits. Already we discussed the two types of the fruits. One is the true fruits, another one is the false fruits. What is the meaning of the true fruits? True fruits mean this is the eucarp, especially is the mature or ripened ovary developed after fertilization. For example, mango, most of the dicots and the monocots is the true fruits. Mango, maize, grape, these all are under comes the true fruits. False fruits mean is the pseudocarp, is derived from the floral parts other than the ovary. Mainly true fruits mean especially these are the derived from the ovary, and next one false fruits is the derived from the other than the ovary. Other than the ovary in the sense some are the floral parts in the capsule, floral parts especially, different types of the. Okay. Okay, next one is the what is the meaning of the Parthenocarpic fruits? Is also under come to the types of the fruits. Mainly these are seedless fruits. Mainly without they can form the without fertilization. For example, banana, grapes. Okay, day to day life, especially number of oranges. All are under comes the parthenogenic fruits. Parthenogenic fruits mean seedless. There is no fertilization. Without fertilization, the fruits are formed without fertilization is also called as parthenogenic fruits. And next one, classification of fruits. What type of the classification? Mainly the classification of the fruits is the some are the simple fruits, aggregate fruits, and next one composite fruits. Simple fruits, aggregate fruits, and composite fruits. Simple fruits is especially they can be the two types. One is the dry fruits and next one is the succulent fruits. Dry fruits also they can different types of the dry fruits. Next one comparative, interactive, and next one succulent, springing of these all are the under comes to the dry fruits. So mainly lumentum, capsule, nuts, scars. Next one the capsule. This all are under comes the dry fruits. Next one succulent change. Some are the pepo, berry. Next one banana is all are under comes the all are under comes the succulent plants. And next one aggregate fruits. Next one is the composite fruits. Okay, sorus. Okay, all are under the these are the classification of the fruits. Then the types of the fruits already. What type of the fruits? Pome is the most of the fruit is formed from the receptacle under the flower condition. This is under the flower condition. For example, pear and apple, especially apple is the they can form the thalamus. Mainly the apple also is the one type of the false fruit. Okay, apple is the one type of the false fruit. They can form the mainly this is a formation of thalamus. Okay, formation of thalamus. Drupe also is the fleshy fruit in the single seed with the hard endocarp. In the example is the some are the peach, coconut. This the coconut is the mainly is the belongs to the some are the monocots. Coconut belongs to the monocot. The outer structure they can see in the hard nature. The inner structure they can see in the some are the america fleshy fruit. Inner structure is the they can see in the fleshy fruit. Next one berry is also see for example the as many seeds are available in the berry. Some example is the tomatoes and the peppers and the cucumber. Tomatoes is belongs to the Solanaceae family. The Solanaceae family especially most of the Solanum melangina, Solanum nigra, solanum is the Lycopersicum esculentum. This all are under comes the berry fruits. Next one, aggregate fruits is developed from the flower with the many pistils. These are the aggregate fruits is the they can from develop from the flower from the many pistils. With the many they can form the many pistils. Legumes also split along the two sides, especially these are the most of the Leguminaceae family. For example, some are the beans, okay, some are the beans, and next one some are the leguminous, Arachis, Hyposia, all are under comes to the legume plants. Most of the Fabaceae members, most of the Cisalpinaceae members. Cisalpinaceae members are the Lomentum fruits. Cisalpinaceae fruits is the Lomentum fruits. Example, some are the Acacia fruits, all are comes to the Lomentum. Next one, capsules. Capsules also, this is a dry fruit. These have the several carpels in the, for example, orchids. Orchids especially these are the under comes to the Orchidaceae family. Most of the orchids are the they can use the ornamental plants. The ornamental plants they can give the some are the orchids. Nuts have the one seed and the hard pericarps. Nuts and the one is the hard pericarp, they can cover by the hard pericarp. At the same time, they can see in the internal part is the some are the fleshy fruits, okay, fleshy nuts. Example is the cashew nuts, okay. Next one, grains. Grains also is the mainly is the have the fruit and the seed joined the closely together. They can form the grains. For example, most of the Gramineaceae family, okay, wheat, rice, okay, barley, all are under comes to the grain. Especially echin, fruit is the echin. Echin also under come to the Gramineae family, okay. Multiple fruits is all come from the several different flowers joined together. They can form the multiple fruits. Pineapple is the it belongs to the actually is the C4 plant. Pineapple is the C4 plant, okay. This is the different types of the fruits, okay. Next one is the what are the different types of this is the true fruit and the false fruit. The both the diagrams is the they can see in the true fruits and the false fruits. Especially false fruit they can form the any other floral characters, any other floral formation they can form the any false fruits. These are the false fruits, especially thalamus, mainly is the apple, mainly thalamus in the inflorescence. This is the type of the inflorescence. The mainly if true fruit they can form to the carpels, and the next one the pistils they can form to the true fruits, and the false fruits is the they cannot form the other than floral flowers. They can form the other than floral flowers. This is the true fruits and the flower fruits. These are both the diagrams. According to our syllabus, they can give the only mango, and next one is the citrus. These are all are under comes the fruits, okay. Fruits, mango is the belongs to the belongs to the Anacardiaceae family. The family is the Anacardiaceae. Mango, the scientific name Mangifera indica, is the most popular, and the dicot is the fruits. In the most of they can grow in the tropical countries. Some are the is also called as the fried fruit of India. Mango is the fried fruit of India. India is the being considered as the one of the excellent choice in the fruits of the occupying the 65 most of the 65 of the total area under the fruit crops. Mainly they are cultivated in the Southeast Asia, Egypt, South Africa, and next one is the some are the African countries, Israel's, tropical Australia, USA, Mexico, Brazil, okay, Cuba, and especially in India and the most of the in Andhra Pradesh and the West Bengal, the highly cultivated in the mango. Some are the mangoes are in the imported in throughout the in India, imported to the other countries also, okay. Different types of the mangoes varieties, Banganapalli, and the next one Totapuri, Jalal, Chinnarasam. Maximum in the actually the ripening fruit of the banana, they can see in the number of some are the carbohydrates, okay. In the some of the glucose content also is the very high, glucose content, carbohydrates, some are the fructose levels also is the very high. Actually in the nowadays they can use the in the ethylene is the ripening hormone. the gaseous hormone. These are the gaseous hormone. They can use the some are the in ripen is the ethylene is the mainly they can use the ripening of the some of the fruits. Okay, it is the natural gases. Okay, these are the mangifera indica, especially it belongs to the Anacardiaceae family. Next one, citrus. Citrus also especially is the cultivated in Southeast Asian countries. Okay, citrus is belongs to the Rutaceae family. They can produce the fruit is the Asparadium. Asparadium, the number of carpels. In Asparadium fruits, they are containing the number of carpels. These are the carpels are they are containing the high content of the citric acids. They are containing also high vitamin C. This is a high vitamin C. This is mainly these are the traditional fruit. Mainly these are containing the vitamin C and the any antioxidants. Mainly in the citrus fruits, nowadays is all the in corona situation, the number of people they can consume the citrus fruits. Oh, mainly what type of the in citrus fruit they are containing the vitamin C vitamin at the vitamin C. At the next one, these are the fibrous content also there is a very high in citrus fruits. Okay, fibrous content is also very high. At the same time, antioxidant some are the essential for the human health, antioxidant mainly. At the same time, some are the components of the mainly free radicals. At the same time, damage of the some are the body cells lead to the some are the different types of the disease, cancer. Some are the cancers. What is the meaning of the cancer? Cancer is the abnormal growth of the cells. They can form the some are the tumors. At the same time, the citrus fruits they can use the treatment of the some are the cancers. Okay, these are the very important. Nowadays, the most of the people they can consume the some of the citrus fruits, oranges. Okay, some of the researchers they believe the some of the flavonoids in the lemon and the other citrus fruits also in the antibacterial activities. Some are the antibacterial activities. Some they can use the anti-cancer properties and the antidiabetic properties. All are the mainly these are the citrus fruits are they can use the treatment of the anti-cancer and anti-diabetic and next one antibacterial activity. These are the at the same time in citrus fruits they can use the fermentation process. In the fermentation process these are the they can produce some are the alcohols. Citrus, okay, citrus niger, some are the citrus niger, some are the bacteria are involved in the fermentation process. They can produce the especially some are the alcohols, some are the highly fermented alcohols they can produce the in citrus fruits. At the same time, some are the important citrus groups region in the world, USA, Mexico, especially they are cultivated in the number of countries in citrus fruits, Mexico and Central Africa, Brazil and Argentina, Spain, Italy, Japan and China. At the same time in India especially in Telangana region, especially some Nalgonda district, some are the Nalgonda district mandals are the highly cultivated some are the citrus fruits, especially orange. Okay, orange, citrus, lemon fruits. Okay, these all are the especially highly cultivated in the Telangana region. This also they exported the some are the some are the countries, especially Indonesia. India is the export to the some are the lemon fruits and the citrus fruits are the export to the Indonesia. These are the citrus fruits. Okay, and some are the next one, apple. Apple also is the edible fruit produced by the apple tree. Its scientific name is the Malus domestica, and the another name is the Pyrus malus. Is also another scientific name of the apple. Actually, it belongs to the Rosaceae family. Okay, actually most of the peoples are believed that the apple is the richest vitamin and the richest minerals, richest some are the antioxidants are available in the apple. Apple is the actually is most of the in our country apples are the especially in the cultivated in the Kashmir region. At the same time in Andhra Pradesh also Lambasingi, in the Adilabad district also they can cultivated the in apple fruits. Okay, especially these are the what type of the apple fruits is the temperature is the very cool temperature. Okay, humidity also very low, the cool temperature. This type of the apple fruits are the they can grow in the in low temperature condition. For example, in Visakhapatnam, Lambasingi is the mainly is the what how much of the temperature, the 4 centigrade, especially only the for the endemic species. What is endemic species? Especially they can grow in the in particular places. Okay, for example, only in now olden days especially they can grow in the in Kashmir region. Nowadays especially they can grow in the apple is the in Lambasingi and the Adilabad. Okay, apples are the high fiber fruits, is the eating them some is the boost of the heart health, the promote the weight loss. Some are the pectin apple helps the maintain the good health. At the same time, is a member of peoples are the so pomegranate also is the one of the is belongs to the Latheraceae family. Is a scientific name is the Prunica granatum is the mainly pomegranate also, especially these are the they are containing the high fibrous content. At the same time, some are the citric acid levels also they are high pomegranate. These are the richest fiber content. Okay, these are the richest fiber content. At the same time, the number of peoples are that they can consume the pomegranate. This is a pomegranate also they can use the they can increasing of the blood levels, increasing of the blood, especially at the same time the low level blood. For example, hemoglobin percentage is low level of the some of the peoples, they can consume the pomegranates. These are the pomegranates are very useful of the in the children's, at the same time in the most of the human beings. Okay, scientific name is the Phunica granatum, family is the Latheraceae. Okay, this is the mainly pomegranate is the superfood of the most of the in fruits, the superfood of the in the high antioxidants. At the same time they are containing the high polyphenols contents. This is the help for the combat of the oxidative stress and the cause of disease the some are the body, especially these are the relief of the oxidative disease. At the same time, the pomegranate fruits also they can the high consume of the some of the peoples is the antioxidant properties, and the antioxidant properties that they containing the pomegranates. Next one, nuts. Nuts also, what is the importance of the nuts? Already in the, according to our syllabus, mango, citrus fruits, some are the at the same time mango is the fried fruit of India. At the same time, juva also is the poor man people of the fruit. Poor man people, especially in apple also is the very costly. Apple also, at the same time pomegranates also very costly fruits. At the same time, poor man of the people, poor man of the fruit is the juva. At the juva and banana also at they are containing the maximum 90%, 95% of the carbohydrates they can see in the in banana. Banana also is the banana actually maximum the poor man people of the fruit is the poor man people fruit is the mainly juva, at the same time banana. Actually the some are the fruits banana, pomegranate, juva, and the next one cashew nuts, all are the fruits. At the next time, nut, mainly nut is the pericarp is the hard and the leathery or woody nature. Outer nature is the very hard. Pericarp is the outer nature is the very hard. It may be developed in the simple or compound pistil with the superior and inferior of the ovary. Some example of the some are the nuts is the carcass, oak fruits, okay, and the lich and the cashew nuts, okay. Some are the trapa is all are belongs to the nuts. Mainly is the pericarp is the hard nature, and the leather is the edible part is the eril. For example, eril, Pithecanthropum dulce. Okay, you know the Pithecanthropum dulce. Pithecanthropum dulce is the common name of in Telugu Seema Chinta. Okay, the Simachinta also is the Pithecanthropum dulce is also is the outer, actually outer structure is the hard nature. In the inner structure fleshy fruit. This is also the Pithecanthropum dulce is one type of the eril. Okay, it's the outer growth of the testa. They can from the micropylar region becomes the juicy. Cash nuts is the mainly different varieties also cash nuts is available. The mainly the some are the varieties also use the cash nuts. The kernels also mostly roasted and the salad. The kernels also they can use the they can prepare the roastly salads and the roastly. Some are the carbohydrates, but rich some are the proteins and the vitamins also the highly in cashew nut. At the same time fats also is the very high. Fats also is the very high. Kernel consists of the high percent of the vitamins. Mainly cashew nuts, mainly is the their cashew nuts that they contain the vitamins, proteins. Next one is some are the minerals, some are the fats also they are containing the in nuts. Okay. Next one is this is the nuts are the different types of the nuts mainly. Okay, see in the different types of nuts, the hard outer nature is the very hard, pericarp is the very hard. At the same time, see in the some are the fruits are the fleshy fruits are available in the below the side. Okay. Next one, actually in recent cash research institute is the in Bapatla, they can release the number of varieties BP1, BPP2, BPP3, BPP5, BPP6. These all are the in Bapatla research center, especially they can release the cash different varieties. Okay, cash is the cultivated in the more than 30 countries in the world. The mainly cash producing the countries are in India. Cash nuts especially they can produce the in India is the highly produced cash nuts. Cash nuts highly produced of the highly produced in India. At the same time Tanzania and the Madagascar, Kenya, Brazil, and the next one different types of the and different types of Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Nigeria. All our countries are is cultivated the cashew nuts. Mainly India is the highly cultivated cashew nuts. Okay, India is also they can cultivate the highly amount of the cashew nuts in India. Okay, some are the Nigeria also. Some are all the countries are cash growing the except oriented the crop. This is the cashew nuts is the one of the best crop. Best is the nut is the highly containing of the vitamins, minerals. Some are the carbohydrates, the fat also they are containing the cashew nuts. Okay. Next one mainly totally these are the fruits and nuts. Fruits and nuts also they can use the fruits also highly content of the some are the vitamins and the minerals. The banana is the 95% of the carbohydrates they are containing of the 90% of the carbohydrates. Actually some are the fruits are they are containing the fibrous contents. It's a pomegranates are they contain the highly fibrous content. At the same time apple also they are containing the highly fibrous content. Okay. At the same time some are the mango also actually mango also the fruit. At the same time they can prepare the some are the pickles. Pickles. Next one citrus fruits. Okay, some are the amla also one type of the fruits. Amla also is one type of the fruit. Amla they are containing the is belongs to the B.Sc family. They are containing the high rich amount of the vitamin C. Amla also is the they are containing the high vitamin C. At the same time is belongs to the Euperibacea family. Is the amla also they can prepare the tripala churna. Okay, is the tripala churna is the all type of the fruits they can use the in human beings in nowadays. Banana, mango, citrus, next one pomegranate, and next one apples, amla. These are all are the fruits. And nuts are the actually according to our syllabus only they can give the only one nut, the cashew nut. Okay, cashew nut is the cashew nuts and it belongs to the Latheraceae family. Okay, all are the under comes the nuts. Okay, this is the fruits and nuts.